In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save a video on YouTube to a playlist. So the first step is to actually find a video that you want to save to a playlist. And in this example, I'm just going to use a video from my channel, and I'll select this first video at the top. And then you can see three vertical dots on the right of the video. You tap on the three vertical dots, and then you have an option to save to playlist. It's that simple. And then you just select the playlist that you want to save it to, and then click on done. And that is how you save a video to a playlist on YouTube. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.